Deforestation and degradation of ecosystems are the greatest threats to biodiversity in the world, and the largest greenhouse gas emitters in Brazil. Today, 75% of the Earth's surface has already been changed. Exacerbated by climate change, this change in land use affects nature's contributions to people, such as the provision of food, regulation of air quality, and the availability of water resources. To meet this global challenge, nature-based solutions such as conservation and restoration of native vegetation are increasingly becoming protagonists in reconciling the integrity of ecosystems and income generation. To increase these benefits, the International Institute for Sustainability, IIS, has developed a methodology which identifies priority areas for conservation initiatives and restoration of ecosystems around the world. You can see some of these results on PLANGEA Web, a free online platform to support land use planning. On the interactive map of the platform, it is possible to simulate different conservation and restoration scenarios. In addition to the map visualization, the results are also displayed in diagrams, tables, images, and reports. You can check which areas have the greatest benefits for biodiversity conservation at the same time, and the mitigation of climate change, and the lowest economic costs for restoration measures. Try out the platform. Register at the website plangea.earth. International Institute for Sustainability. Solutions that change the world.